Hey guys, Her Weekend Crafts is presenting you another DIY video, and this time it is on making a cardboard organizer out of a shoebox for storing your small craft items, jewelry making stuff or anything you like. So let's start. This is the shoebox which I am gonna use, and I am using designer paper to wrap the box all over, which I have cut already. The measurement for the cut paper would be the size of the box sides plus 1 inch extra from all sides. Start wrapping the box with the cut designer paper as shown. Put enough Fevicol, spread it with a brush and paste the paper on the side of the box and press hard. Then cut the extra 1 inch paper from the diagonals and paste the paper from all sides inwards. We have to do this for all the 4 sides of the box so that our box is covered with the designer paper from all the sides. Next we have to cover the box from the insides as well. So I am using yellow cardstocks over here for the same. The measurement for the cardstocks would be half an inch less from the sides of the shoebox so that the cardstocks fit in easily into the box. Start pasting the cardstocks on the insides of the box as shown after covering the bottom of the shoebox with the cardstock first. Once all the 5 sides of the inside of the box are covered, next we will be covering the box lid with the designer paper. The measurement for the box lid cover would be 1.5 inch extra from all the sides of the lid after keeping the lid flat on the paper inverted. Follow the same process to stick the lid to the cover paper. Next step is to make the sections out of the cardboard stripes. For that we would be needing a total of 9 cardboard pieces for one section box. Firstly we would need a base cardboard piece which should be of the size so that it easily slides into the box. Next we will make the boundary of the base using the 4 cardboard stripes using white tape. The height of the cardboard stripe should be half the height of the shoebox. Fix all the sides firmly with the white tape. The other 4 pieces of the cardboard stripes will be used to create the sections which are cut halfway towards the center along the width of the stripes, and the cuts for the longer and shorter pieces should exactly fall on each other. Then fix all the 4 cardboard pieces together using the cuts made into them to create the sectioned box. Now cover the outer of the sectioned box with another designer paper following the same process. Also cover the cardboard stripes with another paper. Once covered, make cuts on the same exact position from above the paper. Do this for all the 4 stripes and fix back the cardboard stripes to make the sections. Use hot glue gun in case if you feel that the sections created is not touching the base from any of the sides. This would help preventing the items kept in the box from mixing and shifting from one section to another. Following the same process, make another sectioned box. And here we are ready with our cardboard organizer out of a shoe box. Thanks for watching.